TNM ranks among the most successful graphic companies in Slovenia. We have a rich tradition, as the company was established in 1958. In Slovenia, we are one of the leading companies in the manufacture of folding boxes and leaflets for the pharmaceutical industry. In addition to Slovenia, we are also present in other markets: Germany, Austria, Croatia, Italy, Switzerland, Belgium, Finland, Spain, Denmark. Our success is based on extensive experience, our own knowledge, and excellent product quality and adaptability to customer requirements. Yearly, we produce 300 million folding boxes and 300 million leaflets, and we have a steady growth in the amount of produced folding boxes and leaflets. We are a trusted supplier of printed materials to the largest pharmaceutical companies in our country and abroad. We apply the high standards of the pharmaceutical industry to our own production, and we also provide them to other customers in the field of food supplements, cosmetics, and other industries. The entire production process is automated, supported by state-of-the-art information technology, and takes place in controlled climate conditions. We are certified according to ISO 9001, FSC, and FSSC 22000 standards. The entire production process is organized according to GMP guidelines. Through expansion and annual investments in state-of-the-art printing machines and other equipment, we are constantly increasing our productivity. We strive to reduce our company's impact on the environment and invest in green energy accordingly. We place special emphasis on quality control at all stages of the production process: printing, punching, cutting and gluing folding boxes and leaflets. Quality control checks are carried out visually and electronically, as flawless product quality is the company's first priority. We respect the ethical principles of cooperation with our customers and suppliers, develop new products with them, and nurture long-term partnerships. We help partners to find technical and cost-effective solutions and advise them on how to optimize their order costs. Please visit our website, send us a message, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. TNM, with quality to success.